नमस्ते बिटिया, खुश रहो बिटिया। Myself, JVM Dr. Ritu Sharma, Assistant Professor, Department of Gynaeops, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Today's session is second trimester of pregnancy. The second trimester of pregnancy, the subjective symptoms such as nausea, vomiting, and frequency of micturition usually subside while amenorrhea continues. The new features that appears are quickening, feeling of life, denotes the perception of active fetal movements by the woman. It is usually felt about the 18th week, about 2 weeks earlier in multipara. Its appearance is a useful guide to calculate the expected date of delivery with reasonable accuracy. Progressive enlargement of the lower abdomen by the growing uterus. General examination. General examination, chloasma, pigmentation over the forehead and cheek may appear at about 24 weeks. Breast changes. Breasts are more enlarged with prominent veins under the skin and secondary areola, specially demarcated in primary gravida, usually appear at about 20th week. Montego Mary's tubercle are prominent and extended to the secondary areola. And D is colostrum becomes thick and yellowish by 16th week, and E variable degree of strength may be visible with advancing week. Abdomen examination. Now first is inspection. Linear pigmented line, linea nigra, extending from the symphysis pubis to the uniform cartilage may be visible as early as 20 weeks. The straight, both pink and white, are varying degree of visible in the lower abdomen, more towards the flanks. Palpation. Now second is palpation. Fundal height is increased with progressive enlargement of the uterus, and approximate duration of pregnancy can be ascertained by noting the height of the uterus in relation to different level in the abdomen. The following formula is an useful guide for the purpose, that is level of fundus uterine at different weeks. There are shape of uterine and the weeks, and according to increases weeks and with increases size of uterus. The height of the uterus is midway between the symphysis pubis and umbilicus at 16th week, at the level of umbilicus at 24th week, and at the junction of lower third and upper two-third of the distance between the umbilicus and uniform cartilage at 20th week. The uterus feels soft and elastic and become ovoid in shape. Braxton Hicks contractions are evident. Palpation of fetal part can be felt distinctly by 20th week. The findings are of value not only the diagnose pregnancy but also to identify the presentation and position of the fetus in the later week. Active fetal movement can be felt at intervals by the placing the hand over the uterus as early as 20th week. Active fetal movements can be felt in it not only gives positive evidence of pregnancy but of a live fetus. The intensity varies from a faint flutter in early months to stronger movement in later months. External bloatment is usually elicited as early as 20th week when the fetus is relatively smaller than the volume of the amniotic fluid. It is difficult to elicit in a obese patient and in case with scanty liquor amni. It is best elicited in the breech presentation with the head at the fundus. Auscultation fetal heart sound is the most common most conclusive clinical sign of pregnancy. With ordinary stethoscope, it can be detected between 18 to 28 weeks. The sounds resemble the tick of a watch under a pillow. Its location varies with the position of the fetus. The rate varies from 110 to 160 beats per minute. Two other sounds are confused with fetal heart sound. Those are uterine shuffle with is a soft blowing and a systolic murmur heard low down at the side of uterus based on the left side. The sound is synchronous with the maternal pulse and is due to increase in blood flow through the dilated uterine vessels. It can be heard in big uterine fibroid. There are pictured the external bloatment causes and B and C steps showing how to elicit internal bloatment. Vaginal examination. The bluish discoloration of the vulva, vagina, and cervix is much more evident. So, also softening of the cervix, internal bloatment can be elicited between 16 to 28 weeks. The fetus is too smaller before 16th week and too larger to displace after 28th week. However, the test may not be elicited in case with scanty liquor amni or when the fetus is transferally placed. Investigation, imaging study, sonography, routine sonography at 18 to 20 weeks permits a detailed survey of the fetal anatomy, placental localization, and the integrity of the cervical canal. Gestational age is determined by measuring the biparietal diameter (BPD), head circumference (HC), abdominal circumference (AC), and femur length (FL). The BPD is measured like BPD means biparietal diameter is measured from outer edge of skull to the inner edge of, of the opposite. The fetal organ anatomy is surveyed to detect any malformation. The fetal visibility is determined by real-time ultrasound. Absence of fetal cardiac motion confirms fetal death. Magnetic resonance imaging, that is MRI. MRI can be confused for fetal anatomy survey, biometry, and evaluation of complex malformation. Radiogenic evidence of fetal skeletal show may be visible as early as 60 weeks. This station is powered by Digital version 2.0 JVW. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.